Përshëndetje.
Përshëndetje. Si të kam?
Si të kam?
Si dukesh?
Si dukesh?
Mirë.
Mirë.
Mirë. Okej. Pu?
Pu Istanbul.
Istanbul?
Istanbul.
Istanbul.
Last stretch now of Albania. We're almost done. It was just amazing. Behind us here is the Thracian Valley. We leave probably in about an hour, maybe two, but we're not really ready with Albania yet. So Albania, thank you, and you'll probably see us again. First morning in Greece, we're already going uphill. Today is a big pass day, 1200 meters, and it's pretty steep here. We only had some digestive cookies and a piece of bread.
This day is brutal, man. Pointless ups and downs. That's really the case right now. Hi.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Kind of a difficult spot here on this windy little hill, but it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's just absolutely beautiful.
The view is nice, the sun's coming up. As usual.
Luckily. We were just relaxing here in this Greek town, and then these people just gave us some water and some nice, whoa, a tomato cracker bread. Wow. We still have like a 10-kilometer stretch along this coast. We hope we can find a nice chill spot for the afternoon here, make a little bit of shade, and then enjoy this beautiful water, maybe take a dip, probably.
What a beauty. He's a little shy.
He's very shy. Obviously, he didn't came with the wrapper, but we put him back somewhere there in the grass. And there's no place for a turtle to be. He's very dense. There you go, little guy. take a look at this amazing place. Watch out for these big cliffs here.
Yeah, it's going down. 12 meters down.
Yeah, it's a little bit more, I guess. Absolutely stunning between the mountains, just like we're part of the wilderness here. It's just amazing. We're just about to call it a night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Today is a really exciting day. It's our last day in the European Union, and we're gonna head out to the Middle East. We've been on the road for 4.5 months now, and this is a big new... Whoa, they're shooting. This is a new chapter in our journey, so it's that's very exciting, and also the change of culture.
And you've been to Turkey, but I really don't know what to expect, so I'm only guessing in my head what it's gonna be like.
You'll be in for a surprise.
Yeah. So we're about 10 kilometers into Turkey right now. We only rode about 45 kilometers today, but that's okay. We're looking for our first camp spot right now, and I'm pretty exhausted from the wind.
It's not too bad. It's somewhat out of the wind. There's a little canal beside it, so it will be swarming with mosquitoes in no time. It's not a real homely feeling, but it's out of sight, so it's private.